Guys, this is a video review of one of those flexible keyboards, not that brand in not that, but just flexible keyboards in general, done by my friend Noah, also known as CoolChickenWing.
Oh.
We'll show his face in another video later, in mine of course. He's gonna go ahead and show you how they are and if you should invest in buying one or not, and their features. Go.
Alright guys, this is the flexible keyboard by SPI. It is a high dust resistance, extreme flexibility, water sealed, and easy access keys, and we're going to test the water seal. In this video we'll have water here. So this is the little container comes in, so I'll take it out now. So in the container it comes with the keyboard itself, which is a USB 2.0. There it is. And it comes with the manuals, which are right here.
You don't need manuals for a keyboard, come on. Probably warnings all over it.
Yeah, there's a lot of warnings.
Hey, show us the manual, what are you doing?
There's a lot of safety notes, warnings, what not to do with the keyboard, like don't light it on fire, don't stretch it, don't cut it.
Keyboards for dummies, basically.
Don't roll it. Well, no, don't like put a roller on it. Don't put it in like any acid or anything. Don't put boxes on it. Just random stuff.
Wait.
Yes.
No, you said box weight. It's probably weight or something.
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a USB keyboard. So just you can plug it into any USB port.
Let me show the keys first.
So the keys. I wouldn't recommend this keyboard for gaming or fast working people. Just for kind of like, oh yeah, I have a cool flexible keyboard. I can flex and do whatever I want with it. The keys, you can't feel them pressed down. I mean, you can, but it's just the smallest time. And sometimes it doesn't even read. You have to press pretty hard. You have, your space is cut in half because, sorry. Well, because whenever you're typing, you know, you have like that.
Pretty creative.
Yeah, then your Windows buttons aren't there. They're blank. They're not customizable. You can't switch them for anything.
Does this work with Macs too?
Yes.
Okay, that's why.
It does.
Probably because the Macs don't have the Windows button.
Then you have 3 buttons here.
Oh, wait, let me show it.
They're not customizable either. And I don't know why they don't customizable.
That's probably caps lock or something?
No. All the regular, it's a regular key. It comes with a number pad too.
Are they lights?
Yeah.
These are lights?
Oh, no, these are no lights. But
these are the lights.
Yeah.
I see.
The keyboard comes with a power button, so you can turn off your computer from there. You can't turn it on because the keyboard won't have power. You have a sleep button and a wake up button. For me, the wake up button doesn't really work because when you sleep, the keyboard doesn't get power, so you can't wake it up.
So I need one of those gigabyte USB 2.0 power ports to do that. So
it's a full keyboard, even with the number pad. And then when you plug this in over here, it shows a little red light that comes next to each one of them whenever it's on. So number lock, there'd be a red light, and then caps lock, there'd be a red light, and scroll lock, there'd be a red light. And if you turn them off, the light would turn off. So this is waterproof, as we said. And
we're about to test that.
We're gonna go test it.
Of course it's waterproof, guys. It's plastic over like probably membrane keys, so just to show you how water flows over it, we're
to show you how flexible it is, I'm gonna roll it up. That's how small you're gonna get it. And then you just kinda bring the USB cable with it.
Or put it inside.
It's completely flexible, you know, do whatever you want with it. Yeah, okay. So here we go, this is the water test. To test that it is waterproof, and that just because it's seal tight, there's no holes. Here we go. There's the water on it, as you see. Just gonna
drain it off.
There's still some water on it, but I'm pretty sure there's nothing wrong with it.
Yep. You can even put it in the freezer and nothing's gonna happen probably to it.
The back is completely flat, there's nothing on the back. The only thing that's really big is right here, and I'm just guessing because that's probably where everything's stored. All the memory chips and everything.
It's actually, let's see if there's anything in there.
There is, just down here there's not too much.
Yeah, it's just a PCB. You can feel a PCB in there.
So, now that, I mean...
But, you can test to see if it turns on.
Yeah. You want to bring your laptop over here?
Okay, bring one of those netbooks. Yeah, T61 over there. He has a G73, which broke down like 5 times and we sent it back to Acer's. And he has 3 Acer netbooks, which never break down. Oh, shit.
He
Sorry, guys.
He just spilled the water on the floor.
Yeah, my mom's gonna kill me.
I'm just gonna clean this down so I'm not getting everything wet.
And that's how to clean a keyboard. That's water on it.
So, this keyboard it also states that it's high dust resistance. I kind of don't believe that because when I opened up the package, there was dust everywhere in the package.
Yeah, it's just saying like dust does stick to it, but not like doesn't damage
So, and it also says easy access keys. And I'm guessing that's okay because it's just a regular old keyboard.
Let's see. Share the box here.
So it's just a regular old keyboard.
See, full-size keyboard including 10 key. What's that?
The number pad. It's a 10 key number pad.
It's more than 10, but okay.
Yeah.
Blah 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 blah. Right, dust resistance. Oh, no. Nothing special there.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my gosh.
here comes a netbook.
I do wish that
Broken.
it did come with a case for it. But, I mean, I guess this is fine enough because you have to unlock it. It has to install the drivers. It does have automatic drivers, so... And it does have some problems with it. On the manuals, it says it has problems with mouses. That the mouses get disconnected if you have a wireless mouse.
Why?
I don't know, there's just something wrong with it. But, it didn't happen to me. It didn't happen to my parents' computer, to nothing. So, I don't know, maybe for some computers.
Okay, so it says it's ready to use.
Okay, so we're gonna check.
When are the lights gonna
Okay,
turn on?
so numlock is on. Here, you want to zoom in for us, Hamid?
Okay, here. No, here. Hold this. Is it on?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay.
Okay, can you see it?
Here, wait. It's not a very bright light.
Yeah.
Here, can you go turn off the lights? Here, my brother's gonna go turn off the lights.
Okay, so can we see
Now you
that?
see all of them on.
They're on.
Not very bright lights.
No.
Of course, they're probably bright, but they're over this thick plastic.
Yeah.
Just so you can see how thick the plastic is. Here, can you show them how thick the plastic is, like from the side?
So I think it is.
Here, your hand's in the way, but okay. It's pretty thick.
Then, it works. Here, can we bring that on, open up the internet or some Word document?
Here, let's go. No. Guys, don't add me on Ovu. Here, let's see.
Okay.
Oh,
so,
okay.
no, it doesn't matter. The
It's
search bar works.
disconnected.
The search
Just,
bar works.
that's,
So,
here, try maybe,
so see?
yeah.
It's not a very fast responsive keyboard. It's
Try
pretty...
typing a sentence and see how many mistakes you make. By
Okay,
like,
so what
the
will
thing
the
doesn't
sentence
pick
say?
it up. Subscribe to Tech Reviews for the win.
How many did I get there?
You didn't get an E? And that's it.
Yeah, I tried gaming with this keyboard. It was the worst idea in the world.
What game?
Minecraft.
You still play it?
No, not. We're just testing it. Battlefield 3. Maple Story.
Flight Simulator, come on.
No.
By the way,
that's
guys,
a
if you want a
joystick.
cool name, a cool game, try Flight Simulator. It's really cool. And this is a 10-minute video.
I know, we're
Thanks
just
to him.
going
He
on
just
and
keeps
on.
on running his mouth. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe.